Okay, so you can see the few days so far doing this. I've been successfully using as much as I can out of this, and you can see that a lot of hair goes off with it. That's don't worry. I managed to stuck in everything inchesly in each layers as I can, and work my way to the bottom. And you can see it goes right under it. Let's just keep it together, you know. Then I can branch out more as I wanted it. I wanted it to be able to get up to the bottom of my back of my head here. You can see some of them are just a few of them coming out because I didn't put them properly. But don't worry, once they get hard enough, I'm going to go back doing more. Then it'll build up. And then it'll be nice little constituent volumes. It makes it nice and big and wacky. Now I got this so much layers of it, different kinds of colorings and blending and using green and black and just try to make it look a little more as natural than just one single color. And that's what I wanted. And this probably works really well with the one of the issues is this is pearly. So it's like kind of like an afro feel. Like it's all curly and kind of had that clowny like look to it. And try to reach into the here. This I looked up more about when you wear these. This is actually a latex mask, so it's a little bit sensitive to me. So I had to wear like Vaseline and something to clean, or put something under here so I don't get contact with it as much. So, but it works really well. I guess I'm gonna try this out for the first time. And so far the glue I'm using is doing significantly well. I believe it does. It has that strength. If you do it properly, it could keep it on. I'm gonna probably use like a hairspray to keep the rest of it intact, to keep it I guess, as I said, I didn't know how to do this properly. As I said, I was working on the bottom. Right now I'm just kind of see the bottom is a little bit loosey, so I'm just gonna leave it alone to dry and come back and put more on the back here. And then once it's enough, I could trim it just a little bit. And then yeah, got a full head of a Joker clown looking to it. So I like the fact that I did this. At least it's the best I could get to make that with the hair completely puff up like that. So much I have to do that.